Hi, and welcome to another edition of Marti's Home Cooking. Today we're going to make a simple salad dressing that tastes fresh. It's made from the juices of a red onion and a cucumber and some red wine vinegar and a couple tablespoons of sugar and a little salt. And that just marinates for a couple of hours, and then we strain it and add some yellow mustard to the dish and just whip it up with a little tiny bit of olive oil to finish it off. It's delicious. So we're going to first start with cutting up our onions. They can be in some big chunks because they're just going to be used for a marinade. And then we're just going to cut up our cucumbers. And they all go in the bowl. Well, actually, let's put the sugar and the vinegar in first so we can stir that up. It's a half a cup of red wine vinegar. And a tablespoon plus another one of white sugar. And a little salt. About a half a teaspoon. And we just stir that to dissolve it a little bit. Because it marinates for a while, it'll dissolve on its own. But you can get it started. And then we just add all of our ingredients. And then give them a stir. And then let it sit for a couple of hours so that it releases its natural juices. And we'll be back. Okay, we're back, and we're going to continue with our salad dressing. I have put the onions and the cucumber in a strainer so that they strain. And as you can see, I have quite a bit of liquid with my red wine vinegar. And we're just going to add a little bit of mustard, a tablespoon of mustard, yellow mustard, a lot of this is just guessing as far as how it tastes. And we just whisk that up. We add a little pepper. And a tiny bit of kosher salt. Just a dash. Because remember, we already salted this before. And then as you whisk, just add a little bit of olive oil to kind of hold it all together. Usually between 1 and 2 tablespoons. And then we just give it a little taste, a taste test. See how the flavor is. Perfect. And that is my salad dressing. It is the best replica I can come up with to a favorite restaurant that we like to go to that is owned by an Austrian family. And it's kind of along the lines of a German style potato salad dressing that I kind of found online and made my own thing. So enjoy. Thank you.